Item of service, commonly referred to as IOS, is a way of counting specific clinical activity based on consultation events. It focuses on activity recorded within a face-to-face consultation type, ensuring that the work has been carried out directly with the patient. IOS is typically used for procedures such as ECGs, Dopplers, and other hands-on activities that are completed in practice. This ensures that only genuine face-to-face activity is counted, helping to make reporting accurate and supporting correct claims. A consultation event is everything entered into the record during a consultation up to the point the record is saved. This creates a single entry known as an event. We are now going to look at how to record and amend activities within your clinical system. For activity data to qualify for IOS reporting, it must be entered in a face-to-face consultation type. As a clinician, you can do this by starting a consultation directly from the appointment ledger by right-clicking on the appointment and selecting Start Consultation. Alternatively, open the patient record and click Start Consultation. This will open the consultation screen, which will automatically record data in a face-to-face consultation type unless manually changed. Enter the data via the relevant Ardens template and click OK. Details of your consultation is added to the event entry in the journal. Once you have completed your consultation, save the patient record. If you are an administrator and need to add any missing information to the record when doing data quality checks, open the relevant template and record the relevant information. You can then set the event type by clicking on the Event Details button along the top of your toolbar. Within the pop-up window, set the contact method to face-to-face and click OK. This will ensure the activity is stored as a face-to-face event, allowing Ardens Manager to identify this in the IOS report. You can view the event in the journal where you will see the activity you added along with the patient head icon, which indicates that the event is face-to-face. If the activity has already been recorded but the incorrect consultation type has been used, you can amend this by right-clicking on the icon and selecting Amend Details. Choose the option to amend location and method. In here, we can change the method from telephone to face-to-face, and we can also change the location if the activity was carried out elsewhere. Save the patient record to store this information. Reporting on consultation events ensures that activity is only counted once for activity reporting and payment claims. However, there are situations where you may need to claim for more than one activity during the same patient interaction. For example, wound care, where you treat more than one wound in the same interaction. To make sure each activity is counted and paid correctly, you need to record them in separate consultations. This creates separate events, allowing each one to be counted individually. To do this, complete the consultation for the first procedure as usual using the relevant Ardens template and click OK. Use the Next Event button at the top of your toolbar to create a second consultation. Complete the second consultation as before using the relevant Ardens template and click OK. You will notice in the journal that the activity is now listed as two separate events, which will be counted twice for payment. To view item of service activity, log into Ardens Manager and open the relevant local contracts dashboard. You can identify item of service reports by the IOS suffix in the report name. Click View to open the report. The Patients tab shows all patients included. The Rules tab shows the reporting criteria, including required coding and consultation type. The Data Quality Report highlights any activity that hasn't met the IOS criteria. you can review this data quality report and decide if any records need updating. Access this report using the Benchmark tab. To review these patients, click into the data quality report to update the patient list. If you need to understand why a patient appears, click the question mark to see how their data matches the reporting logic. If a patient is missing, enter their NHS number in the Missing Patient field to check why they don't meet the criteria.